Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to change the font style on any Oppo phone. Now to do that, first of all, just open settings, then tap on wallpapers and style. On this page, just tap on font. Now to change the font style, just tap on more. And from here, you will find all the font styles on your Oppo phone. Now just select a font style which you like. For an example, I will select this font style. Now just tap on apply to apply the selected font style. Now if you have not signed into your Oppo account, just tap on sign in with Google, then select allow. From here, just select your Google account. Now just select these icons in this order. And once you do that, then tap on apply one more time. Now as you can see, this is how you can change the font style on any Oppo phone. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.